Hey everyone, welcome to Heavy Metal Guns and Outdoors. Today we're going to do a little bit of 22 testing. I brought out both of the Keystones, brought the 22 long rifle and the 22 Magnum. We're going to test these against each other. What I've got going on here, I've got two of the local phone books, catalog, with a phone backing behind it to help keep it a little flat. We're going to do a little penetration test on these, and just out of curiosity, see what they'll do. Now let's get our ears on. Alright, first up is the 22 long rifle. We're going to be shooting a basic 40 grain Aguila. I know, these are cool little pistols. Get it loaded up here. Now I'm going to do both shots from right here. Good, yeah, top center on that one. Now see, our target didn't fly apart, that's always a good thing. Alright, next up, I got some CCI Maxi Mag 22 WMR. Shooting it out of this Keystone, which is exactly the same, except it's chambered with a 22 Mag. Using exactly the same pistols. Then we know our test medium is right on the money, that's for sure. All right, let's see if we can get a good shot with this one. Well, that had a little more bang to it, didn't it? All right, guys, let's go out there and take our phone books apart and see what we got. There's our first phone book. Both of them made it all the way through it. Yeah, there's some small phone books. Remember the 22 long rifles on top, 22 mag on the bottom. Wow, made it through the second phone book. I didn't expect this. Both of them made it through all three of these. And both of them exited out the very last piece. I really expected to catch them bullets with that, so they made it through three phone books. That was a long rifle, and that was the Magnum. Let's get us something else and sit up there and try to catch this bullet in these books. We got the same ammo as before. And what I've done, I have three books in the back, and I'll put a 2x4 in front. It's basic pine 2x4. Should be the same all the way through. But I should slow these down enough. Hopefully we can catch one or both of these bullets in one of them books. All right, 22 long rifle up first. All right, got us a good hit. All right, next is our 22 mag. I gotta tell you, I like shooting these little things, they're awesome. Let me go check that. definitely got both of them there. Not sure what happened. Let me grab the camera. Let's get a real close look at this as I take it apart. All right, we did get some good hits. This is our long rifle, and that was our Magnum. See if I can set the camera right down here where we can actually see what we're doing. There we go. All right, let me take the piece of wood out first. There's both of our exits. That'd be your long rifle, and the other one the Magnum. Well, it brought wood right through there with it too, didn't it? Long rifle and the Magnum. Both of them exited out. Long rifle's got a really clean exit where the Magnum's still hammering on, that's for sure. All right. Went into these two. I almost lost that bullet. All right, there it is. It fell down. Here is the 22 long rifle. I just got this out of the top of this other magazine. It went in it, but not all the way through it, apparently. See what our Magnum done. There's where our long rifle come through. And no signs of the Magnum. Still see some wood fragments in there. Other than that, guys, I don't reckon I'm going to catch that Magnum today. There's where our long rifle went through. Got stuck in. And it cut. Another, taking phone books away, and it's still cut down to page 267. As you can see, there's still a crinkle and a cut in that paper. But that Magnum, no joke. It said bye-bye. Must have really splattered when it finally made it to here, because I can't find a piece of it nowhere. Well, y'all, there you have it. I really did not expect them two to have that much power. I know I'm not that far away, but them books are fairly thick, and even with the 2x4 in front of it, which give a lot of resistance. Like I say, at least we caught the long rifle. You see that thing right there? It mashed up pretty good. But that 22 mag, thing's no joke. It just kept on going. Well, looks like this is one of them that we may have to revisit as far as the 22 mag goes, to see if we can catch it in something else. But for now, that's got this video wrapped up. I hope y'all enjoyed that. It was a pretty neat little test. I know it was fun to shoot. If you would, leave me some comments and any suggestions, any questions that you have. Happy to check them out. And if you're able, hit us up on Patreon. And if you would, please, hit that like and subscribe button. Thank y'all, and have a fantastic day.